Hi, my name is Louis Makel. I'm with Leetes Island Woodworks, and I'm going to show you how to put together a table. First off, we're going to look at the parts you get in the package. The stretcher, that's what the sawhorse legs go into. The legs, and there's two types here. One's with the nuts in them, or T-nuts in them, and the other with just the holes. Then we have the cheek braces, the clippy-do, and the bolts. I'll show you here in the package. This has bolts, a 5/32 Allen wrench, and two dowels. So, this is the top of the table. I'm going to clear it off because we're going to install and put together everything with the table upside down. So I'm putting all this to the side, like this, and turn the table over. Now we supply almost everything, but you will need to have a hammer, which is here. So, first off, we're going to put together the sawhorse. So this is the stretcher. It's upside down, and this is one of the legs with the T-nuts in place. And that's going to go down like here, and I'm going to just seat it down in there, and then pull up a leg that has just the holes, and put that on the other side. And then you're going to see me put in the bolts. Here goes one. Set it in there, and just tighten up a little bit, and then with the Allen wrench in there, take it up a little further, but not tight, just loose. Then we get the other bolt, stick that in there, and get that up so it's engaged, but not tight. And I'm going to turn it around and do the other set of legs. Get my bolts. So that's this one, like that, and the other, like this. And the bolts in through the side and taken up with the Allen wrench. But not tight. And the other one, and then we'll have all four bolts in both pairs of legs. Then I turn it and I set it up on the floor. And what I'm going to do here, you'll see there's a gap at the top because it's not snugged in tight. So now I tap down with the hammer so both sides are snugged up. Then I take my Allen wrench and tighten it up till I get a few squeaks, both with that one and with the other. Now I flip it, do the same thing here again, getting that snugged up, cozy into the pocket. Tighten up for squeaks, and tighten up for squeaks. Now the sawhorse is together and tight. Next, we're going to put these two pegs into their holes at each end of the table. The purpose of that is to locate the sawhorse at the center of the table. Now we're going to put in the cheek braces, and we hammer like this, and you'll see it's coming down to the end, and you can hear the sound change as it gets all the way to the end. Similarly, the other side, listen for the sound. And then this here is the clip, and similarly it goes all the way down till the sound changes. So then we take the horse and you put it in place between the pins and make sure we don't crush the clippy-doo, and drop it down and you'll hear a click. I think that was a click. Let me just tap it down here. And you can see the clip is now engaged about the stretcher of the horse. And that's pretty much it. This is the table. You can now pick it up at the top and put it down. And there you have it. Thank you very much.